Hey, what's going on YouTube? Aquabeam here bringing you guys a new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Uzi, and the thing got a little messed up right here. I'm not sure how that happened. I guess somebody tried to jack it, but I made sure everything was in here. So yeah, it's an electric Uzi, I think, or Mech 10. Oh wait, yeah, Uzi. Says right there. And its velocity is 150 FPS. That's not really that good, but I think this would be a good starter for my first machine gun for Airsoft. Then I'm planning on to get an M4, maybe a M1 Thompson. I do like the World War II. So yeah, I'm going to try and open this now. Well, that's what I've been trying to do now. Let's look at it. Dang. Thank God this thing was breaking off. Seems to make it easier for me. I hope my lamp doesn't fall, because my lamp is kind of broken. It's like right on the desk right there. Oh, well, it's right on here. It's just there. That. I'm just trying to open this. I'm just saying random stuff, because, I'm trying to concentrate on opening this thing. And, yeah, Walmart did have a lot of cool stuff there, like, they had AKs, M4s. Well, I think they were M4s. I don't know. I'm not a weapons expert, so. There we go. Let's see if this will work. Come on. So, if I don't end up liking this gun, I won't be able to turn it in like this. I might just sell it on eBay or something. And then, so, god dang. See, my lamp keeps on falling. Because, it's shaking the freaking... Having a bit of technical difficulties right now. God dang, stay. I need a new lamp. That thing just broke a couple days ago. I don't know why I haven't gotten a new one yet. Alright, there we go. Come on. It's about to fall again. Here, I'm just gonna... There we go, come on, come on. I'm just gonna try to cut it off the edge right here. Maybe I could get it off that way. Or just do this. Come on. There we go. You guys can't really see it. Alright, come on. Alright, here, I'm gonna go away for a bit. I'm gonna try to take this off. My battery's about to die, so I better hurry up and take this off now. Right here, I'm gonna cut it a bit right here. Try not to cut any part of it. There we go, come on. Almost there, come on. There we go. There. Then, I'm just gonna get this out later. I'm not gonna film me getting this out. I'm not sure if it comes with beads or not. Or, BBs. Pretty cool. It's not metal, though. It's plastic. How do I put in the mag? I'm gonna have to look at the instructions for this, because I never even used this before. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Hope everybody had a great Christmas, because I sure did. Peace.